Master the magic of this and these in English. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Today we're going to delve into the fascinating world of demonstrative adjectives, specifically focusing on the magic of this and these. Both of these words are powerful tools in English, and mastering their use can significantly improve your fluency. First, let's briefly review what demonstrative adjectives are. They're unique words that we use to point out or specify which things or people we are talking about. In English, we have 4 demonstrative adjectives: this, that, these, and those. However, for today, we will focus only on this and these. So, let's start with this. This is a demonstrative adjective used to refer to someone or something that is near in distance or time, or to indicate someone or something that is currently being indicated or considered. For example, this is my pen. Here, the speaker refers to a specific pen that is likely close to them. Next, we have these. These is the plural form of this, and it's used to refer to multiple people or things that are near in distance or time. For example, these are my books. In this case, the speaker is indicating a specific group of books that are probably close to them. The main difference between this and these is that we use this when we are talking about a single item, person, or idea that is close to us. On the other hand, we use these when we are referring to multiple items, people, or ideas that are near. Remember, this for singular and these for plural. And that's a wrap for today's session on the demonstrative adjectives, this and these. I hope this lesson helps you to understand these powerful words better and use them more effectively in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and soon enough, these demonstrative adjectives will become a natural part of your English language skills. Happy learning!